Okay, part 6 is the final part of video 149, and in this part of the video we're looking at something called advanced analysis. So we will have covered the first 6 bullet points there on requirement specification up to and including output requirements. We'll look at hardware requirements and software requirements in future videos. But once you've done those first 6 bullet points, you might consider doing some extension work, some advanced analysis work. And the first piece of advanced analysis work you might do is estimation of file sizes. And then the second might be something called alternative choices. We'll look at these two options in more detail now. First of all, estimation of file sizes. For each of the tables in your database, you might be expected, certainly in business you would do this, to figure out what size is my database eventually going to be. It's an important part of planning for hardware, thinking about what size hard disks do I need in my servers for my system. If you were doing a revision system, your tables might be these three. One for user accounts, another for the actual quiz questions, and another for results. And you can find out how to do estimation of file sizes if you watch PIC-ICT YouTube video number 71. If we're thinking about alternative choices as part of some advanced analysis work, this is where we might look at alternative solutions to solving the problem. So if you weren't to build your computing system to help solve your problem, what else could you use? For example, it could be off-the-shelf commercially available packages that could be used for the proposed system, and you could name 2 or 3 of these. You might do some screen grabs to show the features you're discussing. Some internet sites that could be of use to you might be surveymonkey.com, pcshareware.com, and you're welcome to share other good sites you find with other people in your group. On college networks we often find something called Hot Potatoes, which again is a really good system for developing quiz type systems. Describe any alternatives in terms of their good features or approaches and how they may help to meet the requirements of your system. Refer to specific requirements and justify the methods and features you will select to use for these. Add your own ideas as well. If you can't find any good features in other systems, screen grab examples and explain what is wrong with what you found and why they're all unsuitable for your system. This is a good piece of analysis work if you think about it. Explain all the good ideas you have for implementing in your system. Add any source of information to a bibliography at the end of your documentation. And add to this whenever you do any more research, including reference books, programming books, internet sites, leaflets, business documents. Do that throughout this project. There's the mark scheme for analysis. Bye for now.